Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to move Google Photos to iCloud. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Now select the photos what you wanna move. Let's say I wanna move this one. After that, click at the three dots at the right top and download. Here we go. Then you can hide the application and open settings. Right here you need to click at your account at the top. Then go to iCloud and to Photos. So right here, make sure that you have synchronization. If you have the empty background, the slider, meaning that you disable it, and we need to enable it. Now you need to wait until your device upload your photos to the iCloud or your photo, if you do the same as me. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!